In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a candy bouquet. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Now, I'm so excited to share with you how I created this candy bouquet. Now, in order to create this candy bouquet, you're going to need candy, of course. I used 75 pieces of candy. 75 pieces of candy. Now, I used 67 pieces that will act as the flower portion. And for the part that looks like the vase, I used 6 box candies. Now, you will also need a Styrofoam block. You'll also need some ribbon, a piece of construction paper or cardstock. You'll need tape. I used 2 types of tape, just regular tape and some double-sided tape. You'll also need your hot glue tool, something to write with, and some scissors. You'll also need some bamboo skewers, different sizes, some small, some medium, and some tall. All of those things is going to be used to create this candy bouquet. Are you ready to get crafting? Well, let's get crafting now. Okay, rolling up my sleeves just a tad. I'm going to show you how to attach a blow pop to the bamboo skewer and just like a regular piece of candy to your bamboo skewers. So I'm going to grab a blow pop and just a regular piece of candy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take our bamboo skewer and I'm going to lay it flat up against to the candy portion of my blow pop. Then what I'm going to do is take my tape and I'm going to wrap my tape around the bamboo skewer and the candy stick, the lollipop stick. Roll the tape all the way down. Once you get to the end of where that blow pop stick ends, then roll your tape back up just a little, just to secure it. And then go ahead and tear your tape. Once you've done that, what I like to do is just squeeze it together just to make sure everything is nice and secure. Okay? That's your blow pop flower candy. Now, for the regular flat pieces of candy that you use, I like to add a dab of hot glue. So what I do is, taking my glue tool, I'm going to add a dot of hot glue. I'm going to put the bamboo skewer in the middle of the hot glue. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape and cover where that hot glue was and the bamboo skewer. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to continue adding your bamboo skewers to your blow pops, to your regular candy, whatever type of candy that you have, you're going to add your bamboo skewers to all of your candy. Remember, you're using different sizes. So some will be tall, some will be in the middle, some will be small. So use all different sizes of bamboo sticks to develop your candy flowers. Now, it's okay if you just have the long bamboo skewers because you can easily break those in half to create the different heights. I will meet you when you have finished doing all of your candy flowers. Step 2. What we're going to do now is create the vase part of our candy bouquet. This is the part where we're going to use the 6 boxes of candy. Make sure that all of your boxes are going the same direction. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a hexagon shape with our candy boxes. And let me show you exactly how we're going to do that. You're going to take 2 boxes and you're going to put tape in the middle of the 2 boxes. And I'm just going to double check to make sure both candies are going the same direction. Put some tape in the middle. Okay? That way you're able to move your candy boxes to create that hexagon shape. Okay? Let's do 2 more. Again, making sure that all of your candies are going the same direction. Tape in the middle. That will allow for you to move it so it creates a hexagon shape. Okay? And now these 2 boxes will be for the sides where you don't have to worry about connecting them together. Okay? Now what you will need to do is grab your Styrofoam block. I'm going to go ahead and take the little plastic off of it. And what we're going to do is, with some hot glue, put it on the bottom and go ahead and stick it to your cardboard or your construction paper, whatever you use as your base. Okay? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my candies around the block. And again, making sure all of the candies are going the same direction. Okay? Now, once you have your candies around your block, I go ahead and I kind of push it out so it creates that hexagon shape. So I look to see, do I need to move my candies over? I check it out to see if it's exactly how I like it. Which it is. Now I'm ready to glue this all into place. So with my hot glue, I put some hot glue down the side of my candy and tape it to the sides of my Styrofoam block. I'm also putting hot glue onto my construction paper to glue that into place as well. So continue to glue your box candy onto your Styrofoam block. Now that the vase part of my candy bouquet has been created and secured in place, I'm going to go ahead and take my scissors and cut around my candy bouquet so that the excess part of my cardstock or construction board or whatever you use can be removed. Step number 3, we're now ready to add our candy flowers inside of our vase. So what's going to happen is the skewers are actually going to stick inside of the Styrofoam block. So what you're going to do is take one of your candy flowers and stick it in the Styrofoam block. Just like that. So you're going to continue to do that, adding all of your candy, putting some high, some low, some all around, and create the design that you want of your flower candy bouquet. Go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you when you have all of your candy flowers inside of your candy vase. It's now time to add the ribbon to the vase portion of your candy bouquet. What you will need to do is measure out enough ribbon that will wrap around your candy vase twice. When you're adding your ribbon to your candy vase, one thing that you will need to do in order for your ribbon to stay in place is to place double-sided tape onto your vase and stick your ribbon to that. Here is our 75-piece candy bouquet. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.